The firing incident that took place outside Bollywood superstar Salman Khan's house. Now, the charge sheet reveals how the shooters were given instructions to scare the Bollywood superstar, how the firing was an attempt to just scare the Bollywood superstar. Now, as per the charge sheet, it is written that the gangster instructed shooters to fire outside his residence only to scare Bhaijan. That's what is written inside the charge sheet that has been filed in the case, in the Salman Khan firing case. Now, NDTV has access, and it is clearly written how the gangster was giving information and instruction to the people who were apprehended later for firing outside Salman Khan's residence. Now, in that charge sheet, it is written that you need to smoke while firing the rounds so that you look fearless, and the motto behind the whole incident is successful. And you can recall how on April 14, two people on a bike fired shots outside Salman Khan's residence. My colleague Radhika is also joining us for giving us more details. Radhika, very interesting details coming out of the charge sheet, how gangster was giving instruction that you need to smoke while firing, don't wear a helmet while firing in order to look fearless. This was just an attempt to scare the Bollywood superstar.
That's it. This is part of a 1,700-page charge sheet that was filed before Makoka Court a couple of weeks back. We did access some portions of the charge sheet which has details of the statements of Salman Khan as well, in which he has categorically stated that he believes that there were attempts to kill him and his family members, and that he did hear a firecracker type of sound at about 4:30 a.m., which is when he woke up and he gathered with his family members in the living room of the residence. And then, of course, he spoke about the threats that the family had been facing from Bishnoi gang over the last few weeks. And some more revelations as far as the audio conversation, the audio chats between Anmol Bishnoi and one of the shooters, Vicky Gupta, is concerned. It's very interesting. This is a chat in which he speaks about how he must ensure, the shooter must ensure that he must fire rounds without any hesitation, without any fear, and he should perhaps smoke cigarette during the shootout so that he appears fearless and that he has nothing to worry about. It may take a minute and a half. However, he should appear fearless. So this is what the charge sheet talks about. It doesn't matter if it takes half a minute or more. Even if it takes more than a minute, firing should be done in such a way that it scares Salman Khan. Smoke a cigarette while firing, and that could be captured on CCTV, and you will look fearless, and you will create history by doing this job, and your name will appear in newspapers and media. This is how Lawrence Bishnoi, in fact, Lawrence Bishnoi's brother, Anmol Bishnoi, directed one of the shooters to carry out the firing outside Salman Khan's residence. Of course, this is a 1,700-page charge sheet that was filed. It speaks about how, as far as the entire Bishnoi gang is concerned, they want to establish supremacy in not just other parts of the country, but also in Maharashtra as well, and also speaks about the motive behind it. It is intended to scare, to spread fear among family members of Salman Khan and the actor himself, and of course extort money as well. As far as Salman Khan's statement is concerned, he very categorically saying that while there had been threats to his family by Bishnoi gang members, he believes that the intention was not just to extort money, but also to kill him and his family members. This statement is part of the charge sheet. So yes, several startling revelations as far as the motive and the hatching of conspiracy is concerned.
Radhika, if you can take us through, this is not the first time that Anmol Bishnoi has threatened Salman Khan. If you can take us through the more intimidation tactics that these gangsters are using to scare Salman Khan.
As far as the threats from the past are concerned, well, this has been the most intimidating. The fact that there was a shootout outside Salman Khan's residence, there was a firing outside Salman Khan's residence, was the scariest one of all. Prior to that, of course, he did receive threats via email. There was a note that was put outside Salman Khan's residence. That was just last year, after which, of course, FIR was filed, and there were, of course, attempts to sort of attack him at his Panvel farmhouse as well. So there were attempts made there. There was a trespassing attempt also made, a couple of years back, after which an FIR was registered. And as far as a second case that was also registered a couple of months is concerned, that is to do with an attempt to attack Salman Khan by gang members once again, and there were multiple arrests made as well, and a charge sheet filed in connection to that case also. So multiple cases, two charge sheets being filed as far as Salman Khan threat is concerned. So yes, Lawrence Bishnoi gang members had been doing this for the last many years, and of course multiple FIRs registered, charge sheet filed. However, Salman Khan in his statement saying that this is not just to extort money, this is not just to create fear among family members, but there is an attempt to kill him as well. This is what he has said in the statement. Of course, Y+ security for Salman Khan. Ever since threats were issued to him, of course, the security apparatus was upgraded by adding more cops, more security officials into the existing security apparatus. However, the fact remains that the threats have been continuing as far as Salman Khan is concerned over the last many years. Earlier, it were over phone calls, emails, and the note outside. And of course, this year, we saw how a firing incident took place outside his residence. Of course, Lawrence Bishnoi, Anmol Bishnoi, wanted accused in this case. 5 people have been arrested. In fact, 6 were arrested. 1 who allegedly committed suicide in the lockup. Now 5 people have been arrested against whom this charge sheet has been filed, and of course charge sheet filed against the wanted accused as well.